After this grip up between Devon and Vitaly, many fans started to believe that it is over for Devon. He's finally scared of Vitaly and he cannot even hide it. But Devon has the exact opposite understanding of what happened during that grip up.
What are you trying to do? You trying to arm wrestle me right now?
Что пытаешься? Побороться со мной?
What is this all about?
Рано еще.
What is this all about?
It's early.
Послезавтра.
After tomorrow.
Let's take a look at what some of the fans are saying. The only arm wrestler in the world who Devon fears to grip up with before the match. Devon may be a demon, but he's quite tactful and respectful with Vitaly. If he respects him, it means he's afraid. Now let's take a look at what Devon said about this meet.
And if you're gonna have a match with somebody,
Yes.
there's a question always: do you fight or do you be passive?
Interesting.
And
Interesting.
normally Vitaly's a bully,
Okay.
and he wasn't. He was
Interesting.
passive.
Okay.
So that's interesting. That's a little psychological victory for me already.
You check that one
Yeah.
off. Check that. I
I'm
like
already
it.
winning.
I like it.
Yeah.
So Devon's logic is every time they gripped up before this, Vitaly was always bullying him in the air pulling. And he does that to others too. But he didn't do that this time. So it's a victory for Devon and not for Vitaly. I could say the opposite of that too. Devon also likes to bully people in the grip up. And he didn't do that against Vitaly. Forget about just bullying people in the air pulling. Devon almost always used to offer his opponent to arm wrestle at press conference or even a day before that, like actually arm wrestle on the table. And now he's not even gripping up with Vitaly with a little bit of load. So can we say that Devon is the one who's scared? Now take a look at this comment. I don't understand why people think that Devon's politeness towards Vitaly means he's afraid. Devon's trademark trash talk is when the match is boring. It wasn't interesting against Kurdecha. Seriously, who was looking forward to Devon's match against Kurdecha? So basically, this fan is saying that Devon is not scared. He's tactfully communicating with Vitaly in his artistic way. During the signing of t-shirts, Devon told Vitaly that the Russian fans got mad at him for drawing a new Russian flag. And I don't really think it's about either of them being scared of each other. The change in Devon's tactics before the matches has been interesting to see in the last couple of years. And Devon has been really good in the last couple of years. Since then, he has kind of stopped trash talking his opponents. The last time we saw some serious animosity in Devon's trash talk, it was against Denis Siplenkov, and that was more than 2 years ago. Since then, Devon has almost always been respectful towards his opponents. So now you tell me whether this respect is coming from a place of fear or it is coming from a place of confidence. I think it is coming from confidence. Use code Pradeep to purchase the pay-per-view. Thanks for watching.